Okay, so today's video lab is on the properties of acids and bases. This is the lab you should have out. So if you read along as I read aloud. Introduction: acids and bases are both common and mysterious. They have been widely used since the days of the alchemists without being widely understood. In the late 1800s, Svante Arrhenius proposed the first theoretical model for acids and bases. Prior to that time, these chemically opposite substances were described in terms of their properties such as taste, their effects on metals, carbonates, and dyes called indicators, their feel to the touch, and their ability to react with each other. We have since learned a great deal about the chemical nature of acids and bases and why they exhibit these properties. We will be studying them more technically later in the unit. In this lab, you'll observe the various descriptive properties and use them to identify the substances being tested. So you will test 4 substances: one a strong acid, one a strong base, one a weak acid, one a weak base, and you're going to have to figure out which one's which. But before we do that, we're going to have a little fun with the tasting of common substances. But as you well know, we can't taste in the laboratory, so I have the substances in the classroom. Follow me. So normally we have a little fun with 6 common substances right over there and a little taste test. But given the current circumstances, I'm going to have to do kind of a silly little thing, and I have the 6 substances right here, and I'm going to taste them and go make funny faces and go, ooh, it's either sour or bitter. And you should know which is which based on the notes that we've taken. So first substance, substance A. Wow, that's really sour. Very sour. So you'll write sour under taste. Substance B. That's bitter, and I happen to like it. Substance C. It's kind of a yellowish tint. Oh man, extremely sour. Substance D, it's dark brown and very bitter. Substance E, smells familiar. And very sour. And substance F, no smell, very bitter. In fact, ooh, that's gross. I don't want to end with that taste in my mouth. Okay, then we have a little fun with you trying to guess what they are. So I'm going to make a guess based on my familiarity. Substance A, I take a lot of vitamin C. Substance B goes good with drinks. Substance C. Substance D, of course, you know as it was called extra dark chocolate. And then substance E and substance F.